Exercise 9.3 topic is limit at infinity. So what is limit at infinity? So every function have to take, for example, f of x. F of x is a function for some x minus 1 by x plus 4. Some limit x tends to minus 4. It is meaning that applying limit for x goes to minus 4, then the given function is, so replace for x goes to minus 4, limit x tends to minus 4, x minus 1 by x plus 4 equal to up to minus 4 minus 1 divided by minus 4 plus 4 equal to minus 5 by 0 equal to infinity. Anything by 0 is infinity. So it is called limit at infinity. It is clear that the topic explanation for limit at infinity. So what is limit at infinity? So any function for given, so f of x is a given function. So applying for limit tends to x, then the function goes to infinity. It is called limit at infinity. It is clear that. So to find the problem for left hand limit and right hand limit at x equal to minus 2. At the point x equal to minus 2, then what value of f of x is left and right hand limit. So already we have discussed about left and right hand limit for exercise 9.1. So same cases for we see the solution. So it is meaning that the given function f of x is approaches to minus 2 up to LHS to RHS, left hand limit. For example, is the point of minus 2. Is the point of minus 2. Then we have to find out left hand limit. It is called left hand limit approaches to minus 2. It is denoted by minus 2 power minus. And also find right hand limit for minus 2. It is denoted by minus 2 whole power plus. So now we have to find out the left hand limit and right hand limit of the given problem. So first we have to factorize the given problem. First we have to factorize and eliminate the common factor. After that we have to find out left limit and right limit. So the factorization of f of x. The factorization of f of x equal to x squared minus 4 is the factor of x plus 2 into x minus 2, a squared minus b squared form. So after that, then denominator term is x squared plus 4x plus 4. X squared 4x plus 4 is x plus 2 whole square. X plus 2 whole square. Expand that a plus b whole square form. So a square x square plus b square. 2 square is 4. 2ab 4x. Then x plus 3. Then eliminate the same factor for x plus 2. Again x plus 2. Therefore, the required f of x, the given f of x is changed into x minus 2 divided by x plus 2 into x plus 3 is the given f of x. After we have to find out to find left hand limit for f of x and right hand limit for f of x. So to find left hand limits f of x, limit at the x tends to minus 2 power minus f of x. It is called left hand limit approaches to x minus 2. Approaches to x minus 2. Then what is the value for limit? Limit x tends to minus 2 minus. Then f of x is x minus 2 by x plus 2 into x plus 3. Then replace x by minus 2 for all in terms of x. Therefore, minus 2 by minus 2 divided by minus 2 plus 2 into minus 2 plus 3 equal to minus 2 into minus 2. The value of numerator is minus 4. Then the denominator minus 2 into plus 2, 0. 0 into 2 plus 3, 0. So anything by 0 is infinity. Anything by 0 is infinity. Therefore, the left hand limit approaches to minus, then the limit is positive plus infinity. This is clear that the left hand limit of f of x. Therefore, the left hand limit f of minus 2 minus approaches to equal to plus infinity is the left hand limit. And also to find right hand limit. So what is right hand limit? The limit find right hand limit. Right hand limit. The right hand limit formula is limit x tends to minus 2 plus f of x. X tends to minus 2 plus f of x equal to limit x tends to minus 2 plus into the required f of x is x minus 2 by x plus 2 into x plus 3. X plus 2 into x plus 3. Replace x by 2. So replace x by 2 is minus 2 divided by minus 2 plus 2 into minus 2 plus 3 1. Therefore the denominator term is numerator is minus 4, denominator is 0. This approaches to minus infinity. This approaches to minus infinity. This is the limit of right hand limit. The function approaches to right hand limit, the given function goes to negative minus infinity. Then the limit approaches to minus to left hand limit, the required function goes to positive plus infinity. Therefore, the limit x tends to minus 2, f of minus 2 equal to plus infinity. This is the left hand limit and right hand limit of given required problem. Is the limit at infinity. Topic as limit at infinity. Problem number 1. Problem is evaluate the limit x tends to 3 x square minus 9 by x square into x square minus 6x plus 9. This problem same as the first problem. First problem have to find out left and right hand limit, but this problem for only find out the limit exactly x equal to 3. So first we have to factorize the problem. So given f of x, we see the solution. Therefore, limit x tends to 3 f of x equal to limit x tends to 3 f of x equal to, then given problem factorize limit x tends to 3, then f of x is rearranged or factorized in x square minus 9 is x minus 3 into x plus 3. The numerator term is x minus 3 into x plus 3, then the denominator term divided by x square is not factorized side, remaining term is x square minus 6x plus 9 is equal to factorize for x minus 3 whole square. Explain for x minus 3, a square x square, b square 9 square minus 3 to 6x for the factorization of denominator term. After that, we have to eliminate the equal term for x square and x minus 3. Then given f of x change into limit x tends to 3 x plus 3 divided by x square into x minus 3. X square into x minus 3. Then we have to apply limit for x goes to 3. Then given function is x goes to 3 plus 3 divided by 3 square 9 into 3 minus 3 equal to 6 by 9 into 0 equal to 6 by 0. Anything by 0 is infinity. Therefore, the required problem limit at x tends to 3 is called infinity. It is clear that the problem part 2 is completed. The problem is limit x tends to plus infinity x cube plus x by x power 4 minus 3x square plus 1 is the limit at infinity in the rational function p by q form. It is meaning that limit x tends to infinity, then f of x change into p by q form, numerator by denominator, p of x by q of x of the form. It is called limit x tends to infinity, then f of x goes to p of x by q of x of the form. So this type of integration, this type of limit, how to find limit for x is clearly understand for the basic concept is the degree of numerator and degree of, we have checked out first one, we have the degree of numerator and degree of denominator. If for example degree of numerator is x power 4 and the degree of denominator q is x power 6, then what is the remaining term? X power 4 and x power 6 are eliminated, then remaining terms are 1 by x square. After that, we have applied for limit x square 1 by infinity equal to 0. Then we get the limit for degree of numerator limit value is 0. It is clear that degree of numerator less than degree of denominator. Degree of numerator less than degree of denominator, then we get limit x tends to infinity is 0. It is clear that after that this one is first condition for this type of limit. Then second condition is degree of numerator greater than degree of denominator. Degree of numerator greater than degree of denominator, we get the limit x tends to infinity is infinity. We get limit x tends to infinity is infinity. Check these two conditions for every problem for x tends to infinity. Every problem for x tends to infinity. So we have to check first one is we see the problem. First we have to check degree of numerator, degree of denominator. If the degree of numerator is x cube, degree of denominator is x power 4. So degree of numerator, so applying the condition for degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator. So then the limit value is 0. So how to find 0? So first we have to take the limit x tends to infinity, take x cube in numerator 1 plus 1 by x. By denominator term, take x power 4 common term 1 minus 3 by x square plus 1 by x power 4. After eliminating for x cube and 1 power x, therefore 1 plus 1 by x divided by x into remaining terms are 1 minus 3 by x square plus 1 by x power 4. Applying limit for x tends to infinity. Applying limit for x tends to infinity. Limit x tends to infinity for the term 1 plus 1 by x by x into 1 minus 3 by x square plus 1 by x power 4 equal to 1 plus 1 by infinity by infinity into 1 minus 3 by x square, 3 by infinity square plus 1 by infinity power 4. So we get any number by infinity is 0. 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity equal to 0. 1 by 0 equal to infinity. 1 by 0 equal to infinity. Then numerator term is 1 plus 0 by denominator term infinity into 1 minus 0 plus 0 equal to 1 by infinity into any number is infinity. Any number add to infinity. Infinity minus infinity equal to infinity. Infinity plus infinity equal to infinity. Infinity divided by infinity is infinity. And adding any number for infinity is infinity. Subtracting any number for infinity is infinity. And multiplying any number for infinity is infinity. It's a basic case of and multiple any number for infinity is also infinity. So infinity whole term is infinity. 1 by infinity is 0. Then the limit value of x tends to infinity x cube plus x by x power 4 minus 3x square plus 1 is 0. Is the fourth problem. Term is limit x tends to infinity x power 4 minus 5x by x square minus 3x plus 1. So this is the solution. Simple concept for limit numerator and denominator. First we have to check this degree of numerator and degree of denominator. So degree of numerator is x power 4. Degree of numerator is x power 4. Degree of denominator, highest degree of denominator is x square. So eliminating for remaining degree is x square. Applying limit for infinity, then the value is infinity. So we have to find out the limit for given problem. So limit x tends to infinity. Take x power 4 in numerator for all term 1 minus 5 by x cube divided by then the denominator term Take x square in denominator for all term 1 minus 3 by x plus 1 by x square. So after eliminating x square and x power 4 eliminating, so remaining term is limit x tends to infinity x square into 1 minus 5 by x cube divided by 1 minus 3 by x plus 1 by x square. So apply the infinity for numerator. So infinity into 1 minus 5 by infinity divided by 1 minus 3 by infinity plus 1 by infinity square. Also multiple any number infinity, also infinity 1 minus 0, infinity into 1 minus 0 by numerator, denominator term is 1 minus 0 plus 0 equal to infinity is the limit for fifth problem. So also that solve the sixth problem. Limit x tends to infinity 1 plus x minus 3x cube by 1 plus x square plus 3x. We check the limit for given problem. So limit are equal, both are equal, x cube and x cube. So limit are equal, then the limit value is coefficient of x cube in both terms. So we see the limit. Numerator, degree of numerator and degree of denominator are equal, then the limit value is coefficient of x cube. So how to find coefficient of x cube? So limit x tends to infinity, take x cube in numerator for all term x cube, so 1 by x cube plus 1 by, take x cube plus 1 by x square, then minus 3. So multiply x cube, the term is 1, and multiply x cube, the term is x square, then remaining of x cube. Take x cube or denominator x cube, then the value is 1 by x cube plus 1 by x square plus 3. So eliminate x cube and x cube or numerator and denominator. So apply limit x tends to infinity, we get, applying limit x tends to infinity, we get 1 by infinity plus 1 by infinity, infinity cube, infinity square minus 3 divided by, so also 1 by infinity plus 1 by infinity cube, infinity square plus 3. Then anything by infinity is 0. So 0 plus minus 3 divided by 0 plus 3. So minus 3 by plus 3. Then we get the limit value is minus 1. See equal degree, then the limit value is coefficient of higher degree of x cube in numerator and higher degree of x cube in denominator. Sixth problem. This is the solution. In x tends to infinity, x cube by 2x square minus 1 minus x square by 2x plus 1. So we see the solution. Limit x tends to infinity. First we have to take LCM for numerator and denominator. Take 2x into x cube into 2x plus 1 for numerator minus x square into 2x square minus 1 divided by x cube into 2x plus 1 and the minus of x square into 2x square minus 1. Then denominator term is 2x square minus 1 into 2x plus 1. So it is clear that after we have to simplify for numerator, limit x tends to infinity, multiply x cube in both terms. X cube into 2x power 4, again x cube plus 1 into x cube minus 2x power 4, x square into x square 2x power 4 minus and minus plus x square divided by the denominator term is multiplied by 2x square into 2x. So 2 into 2 4 x cube, 2x square into 1 plus 2x square minus 2x plus into minus 1 is the LCM for numerator and denominator. So numerator is 2x power 4 and plus x cube minus 2x power 4 and plus x square, then 2 into 2 4x cube, 2 into x square minus 2x plus 1. After numerator term is minus 2x square plus 2x square minus 2x power 4 plus to x power 4 are eliminated. So remaining terms are limit x tends to infinity for numerator x cube plus x square by the denominator term is 4x cube plus 2x square minus 2x minus 1. So degree of numerator and degree of denominator are equal. Then the limit value is coefficient of numerator by coefficient of denominator in higher degree. Therefore, limit x tends to infinity, take x cube for numerator 1 plus 1 by x by take x cube for denominator 4 into plus 2 by x minus 2 by x square minus 1 by x cube. Then eliminate x cube and x cube. Applying for limit x tends to infinity. The numerator term is 1 plus 1 by infinity. Denominator term is 4 plus 2 by infinity minus 2 by infinity square minus 1 by infinity cube. Therefore, 1 plus 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity is anything by infinity is 0. So numerator term is 1 plus 0. By denominator term is 4 plus 0 minus 0 minus 0 equal to 1 by 4 is the limit value of problem number 7. New problem. Show that limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. up to n 3n square plus 7n plus 2 equal to 1 by 6. So this is the solution. So let us take LHS term. The LHS term is limit n tends to infinity. N tends to infinity 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. It is called sum of natural number. Sum of n natural number. So what is formula for sum of n natural number? N into n plus 1 divided by 2 is the numerator value. By denominator term is 3n square plus 7n plus 2 is the denominator. Is clear that? After that we have simplified numerator denominator. Take n for numerator, limit n tends to infinity n square into 1 plus 1 by n by 2 into 3n square plus 7n plus 2. It is clear that take numerator n in numerator n into n square 1 plus 1 by n. This 2 divided by 3 into 2 also goes to denominator term. So after taking numerator denominator of n square, limit n tends to infinity n square into 1 plus 1 by n. 1 by n divided by, again take n square for denominator term, 2 into n square 3 plus 7 by n plus 2 by n square. So eliminating n square and n square, then applying n tends to infinity for the limit. So limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by infinity for numerator divided by the denominator term is 2 into 3 plus 7 by infinity plus 2 by infinity square equal to the numerator term is 1 plus anything by infinity is 0 divided by denominator term 2 into 3 plus 0 again plus 0 equal to 1 by 3 into 2 6 is RHS term of 8th problem for subdivision 1.